Morning, welcome to my vlog. I just need to cook a fish with na I want the cooking with sabaw in Tagalog. Here's my mackerel. And here is my kangkong in Tagalog. I forgot in English. My onion and tomato. I forgot to buy ginger. This is the only food I cook for me. That food is until tomorrow. So that I won't cook for 2 days. I don't have budget na to buy food today. Not today, for this week. No budget. And my salary is next, either this weekend or next week. 3 or 5 my salary, and I don't know when can my employer come back. So I need to anyway, we still have plenty of tuna here, but all tuna. There is chicken there, but I'm allergic with chicken. That's why I avoid eating chicken, because I'm gonna have skin rashes every time I eat chicken. See, I boil only the onion and tomato with water, salt. I'm gonna put pepper to make it flavor. And this is my fish. The salt.